To offer free shipping in Etsy, start by understanding the benefits of free shipping, including increased sales and improved customer satisfaction. First, determine your shipping costs by calculating the weight, size, and destination of your items. Consider using Etsy's calculated shipping feature to help with this process. Next, decide which items or orders will qualify for free shipping. You can offer free shipping on all items, on orders over a certain amount, or on specific items. Create a shipping profile in your Etsy shop to set up your free shipping options. To do this, go to your shop manager and click on Settings, then Shipping. In the Shipping section, click on Add a shipping profile and select the items that qualify for free shipping. Set the shipping cost to 0 and choose the shipping carriers you want to use. You can also set a minimum purchase requirement for free shipping. To promote your free shipping offer, add a notice to your shop announcement and item descriptions. You can also use Etsy's Sales and Promotions tool to create a free shipping promotion. This will allow you to offer free shipping to all buyers or to specific groups of buyers. When offering free shipping, make sure to factor in the cost of shipping to your item prices. This will help you maintain profitability while still attracting customers with free shipping. Monitor your shipping costs and adjust your free shipping policy as needed to ensure it remains profitable for your business. By following these steps, you can offer free shipping in your Etsy shop and attract more customers to your business. Remember to regularly review and adjust your shipping policy to ensure it remains competitive and profitable.